Unless your knee is in the other line. Okay, you're good. Thank you, sir.
Went to McDonald's this morning. They taking all long.
Okay, we're still on instant.
I got me a sausage cheese McMuffin.
All right, here we go. Instant green. Try this. Watch it.
Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Left lane doing this thing. Let me see. McGriddles is where it's
at. Can you give
at.
me time slips, guys? Split them up?
Yeah, they was when I first ate McGriddles when they first came out. I think I ate so many of them things.
Now we got Pro Tree in the left lane.
Anybody else needs Pro Tree? I'm still burnt out. I just don't want no McGriddle.
All right, here we go.
I guess I got some oatmeal from up there this morning, man. They didn't water my oatmeal down. Soupy, old soupy oatmeal.
All right, both drivers in. Pro Tree. Watch the lights.
Damn.
Crawler innovation.
Right lane.
Taking that.
Right lane for the win.
Strike first.
Didn't look like he had a real good 60 foot, but he turned it up on out there. That's that progressive. He got a progressive. Bojangles, man, I wanted a couple apples.
Just went down that Crawler Innovations lane.
Bojangles said, "I only eat oatmeal if you make it, fool."
Gotcha.
Okay, it's ready to grip. Yeah, this is what I'm betting with right here, y'all. Full pass. I got 11.
All right. Plan B racing lane, Puerto Rico.
Let me see if he good
Texas,
in both lines.
North Texas area in the Crawler Innovations lane. Here we go, instant green. Watch the lights.
Ooh, ooh, ah! It's that right lane.
Score one for Texas. And this is just...
Bojangles, don't nobody eat bone. Well, I ain't gonna say nobody, but I am gonna say don't nobody eat barbecue wings boneless no more. They say that you for sure getting the fake meat when you get it boneless. I like mine bone in.
All right, here we go. Wait, stand down, guys. Hold tight. Guys, while they're clearing the track, just a quick heads up, and I'm just learning this information.
Ain't no only way to go, man.
Inside the store if anyone needs cash for
chicken nuggets you eat. You might well get them chicken nuggets from McDonald's.
Right behind the starting line area. He does take cards, however, at the food truck.
I'm gonna teach y'all how
the track is. No, they're saying
my brother. He taught me how to.
All right, here we go.
Order from Wingstop. I'm gonna teach y'all.
Randy, thank you, buddy. All right, drivers, here we go. Watch the lights.
Damn, he ain't. Oh, he left his off, y'all. You know how when the carburetor stumble when you give it too much, his carburetor tripping, man. Did you blow the fire out? Boneless, less work, more meat. More fake meat? I don't want no fake meat. Never eat anything on the bone. That is scary. Man.
Drivers, instant green. Watch it.
Uh-oh. Hold it, hold it. Right lane. Got a little wiggly. Ah, he held it though, he held it. Right now we at Summit Racing in Arlington at the RC. No prep. Yeah, what you changed it to, Twisted Soul? I tried to change to, my title was Summit Racing, no prep RC
we're still on instant green.
Nationals.
Instant green? Who's that over there? That's box stock? So you need a Pro Tree. All right, here we go. 2 box stalkers. So we're going to go Pro Tree. Line them up. We have a two-time RCDRL champion
that's cool.
over in the Plan B. RC Lane. Paxton.
You too far. You deep stage. You gotta bag up some. There you go.
He was about 2 feet high the last time I saw him. All right,
I done turned it to an
here we go.
official.
Watch him. Pro Tree.
Oh. Oh, ah.
All right, they're getting it though. They're getting it.
Dang, man.
It'll be a good class when we figure out little things like that. We got that center.
What's worse than a red light?
By the way, guys, if you hit any part of the timing system, those timing blocks are considered part of the timing system. You are DQ'd during eliminations. However, if you don't cross the white line, but you ride the white line, you're still good.
Yeah.
I have the final call, or whoever's on this microphone, whoever we were declaring the track marshal. We have 2 of us out here this weekend. We also have some roaming officials.
Yeah.
We do not go to videotape, folks. So I'm letting out little things that we're going to talk about in the driver's meeting.
Yeah.
We do not go to video. I've seen 3 different videos from 3 different angles, and they all say 3 different things. So it is our call. You want to keep us out of the equation? Keep it in the groove. It's that simple. Keep it in the groove. We'll stay out of your race. Thank you, sir. We are clear.
434 dispatch, we're clear.
Florida. In the house. Left lane. Plan B racing lane. Not sure who the gentleman is in the right, but we'll get all that going when we go to elimination rounds. The time is 11:13. We got 45 minutes more of test and tuning. Drivers. Sorry, we have instant green. Drivers, watch the lights.
Ooh, left lane. Got some, boy. Who is that? And then I remember him from last.
Nice side-by-side drag race right there.
Florida.
That could have come down to reaction time there. And by the way, for those of you that are trying to get my timing down pat, I am aware of that. Come elimination time, when I say watch the lights, there's going to be a delay, just a little one, but it won't be the rhythm that you think it is right now. Just a little FYI. I've been doing this for a little while. Drivers, instant green. Watch it.
Okay, we got left lane, cuts the light first, hits both walls, goes across center line with the lose. Or you won, miss.
Remember, if you're not in the pro